Hey guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm doing something a little bit different. So I'm going to be doing the first makeup look that pops up on my Instagram. So I actually have two different Instagram accounts, not that that really matters, but one is like for my makeup and my YouTube stuff, and one is just like my personal one. So I already kind of got the video, so I went on and scrolled through Instagram until I found the first makeup video, which really wasn't that hard because it is like a makeup page, so I follow a lot of makeup accounts. But the first look that I seen was this very pretty blue smoky eyes with little pearls and a glitter inner corner. So I'm really excited to be doing this because one, I feel like I haven't done a blue look in so long, and I just feel like this is such a fun idea. I'm definitely going to be doing more of these videos. I'll put the credit right here. This is the makeup artist that I'm going to be recreating their look, and if you want to go ahead and follow them and all that good stuff, definitely do that. If you want to follow me on my Instagram, you can do that too. But yeah, if you want to see how I recreate this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to prime my eyes with some concealer. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. And now I'm just going to set that concealer with this Rimmel Stay Matte powder. And for today's eye look, I'm going to be using the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. I feel like I've been using this eyeshadow palette for so much recently, but I just like love it, and I feel like it's a really good palette. It doesn't look like she has anything like in the lid, but I'm really quickly going to take the third shade from the palette on a BH Cosmetics tapered brush and just put a little bit of that into the crease, which is basically just like a peach shade. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that into the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna take the second to last shade in that palette, and I'm basically gonna do like a wing with that eyeshadow. I'm going to take this small pencil brush and I'm going to take the third shade in the fourth row, and I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. A small flat brush, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom of it just to make sure it's nice and sharp. M213 brush, and I'm going to take the first shade in the palette, which is like this white. I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. We're going to put some glitter later, but we're going to do my foundation and stuff first. So let me really quickly do my other eye, and then I feel like since this video is going to be kind of short, I'll do my foundation with you guys and all that good stuff. So hold on, let me do my other eye. Now that I did my other eye, I'm just going to do my base. So I'm just going to take some primer. First, I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Blur and Prime primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Stay Matte Foundation, shade 502. And I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty sponge. And now for concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer. I'm going to blend out my under eye concealer. I just added a little bit more concealer because I want it to be lighter under the eyes. So now I'm going to do cream bronzing, and I'm going to take the ABH Stick Foundation in Espresso. I'm going to blend that out with this Real Techniques cheek brush. For my under eyes, I'm going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder on this little powder puff. I love setting my under eyes with this powder. I feel like it just works so well. For powder bronzing, I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Java. So we're going to take that same second to lash shade and just put that under my eye, really close to the lash line. And then with that same, we're basically doing the same thing we did at the top with that pencil brush. We're going to blend it out. Mix glitter glue and a silver glitter, which I'll use NYX 06 glitter. You want to kind of put your head a little bit forward, and we're just going to place that glitter right where we put that glue. Period. Y'all see that? Beautiful. And now we're going to take some of my pearls, and we're basically just going to put it where she put it on her eyelids, which is some on the outer part and some on the inner part as well. Okay guys, I just went off camera and did the rest of the pearls. I didn't do anything for my lips just because the page that, like her page, she really just does like eye looks and stuff, so you can't really see what her lips look like. But I was gonna do the pearls with you guys, but every time I try to do pearls and crystals with you guys, it doesn't end up good because I have to like be really close to the camera and stuff. But yeah, I just put on a lash and all that good stuff, and I absolutely love this look. I think it looks so good. There's just something about blue eyeshadow on like people with brown eyes. Like I just feel like it looks so good. This is the finished look. I'm never taking this off. I feel like it looks so good. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love doing this because it kind of got me out of my comfort zone, and yes, I love like recreating videos like celebrity makeup looks, but it's just fun to like just scroll through your Instagram and just get inspiration from other people, because I was kind of in like a makeup art block type of thing, but this was so fun. Thank you to, this is from Alice King Makeup. Thank you for the inspiration. I will definitely be tagging her on Instagram, and her name will be on the screen right here. She does amazing makeup looks, so definitely go check her out. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social media. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. I'm trying to reach, my goal was 1,000, but I think I'm going to lower my goal to 500. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So please subscribe if you're watching this video right now and like it. I would love to have you in my little art family. And yeah, I just love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Watch another video. It'll be in the end. It'll be in the eye, you know. Just click on the page, scroll through. I got some pretty good ones, I'd like to say, but I'm a little bit biased. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.